Alright, I wanted to show you guys the building, the old mill. I showed you in video 1, this is video 2. That's the whole thing, that's the side. Now this building right here, this is where they did all the sewing and made all the garments. That's the little building that's on the side. But come on, let's go check it out. I'm about to show you guys the back of it, where the water runs. Y'all gonna love this. Alright. Y'all ready for this? If you've seen my videos, you've seen this a million times, but let's see it again. There it is. I'm actually thinking about hiking over there so you guys can see that. That's the trails. That's the rest of the river. If you guys want to go over to the dam and see a little waterfall, you know, link. Click the link, like the video. Help me grow my channel. Help me on my journey. My journey is going from drugs. Now I'm in recovery and I'm trying to run a marathon and then an ultra marathon, and also help people, you know, make it out of the life, the drug life, the incarceration life, and become something in life. So I don't know if you guys want to help me. Yours truly on Instagram, yours truly on YouTube. I don't know, get involved. All it is RIL, in real life streaming, and just my life. And that's it. I'm gonna show you guys the rest next video.